Hello dear students, welcome to maths class. Today we will learn about division. What is division? When total number of things or objects are divided, distributed or splitted into equal parts or groups, we carry out the operation called division. Division is also called repeated subtraction. Now let us see few examples of division. In the first example, we have to divide 10 apples equally between two children. How many apples will each child get? Let's give equal amount of apples to two children. So we say 10 divided by 2 is 5. We write it as 10, put the symbol of division, then 2 equal to 5. So each child will get 5 apples. In example number 2, we have to divide 20 muffins among 4 children. So we say 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. We write it as 20, put the symbol of division, then 4 equals to 5. So each child will get 5 muffins each. In the next example, we have to share 15 roses between 3 children. So to share equal number of roses with 3 children, we have to divide 15 by 3. We say 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. We write it as 15, put the symbol of division, then 3 equals to 5. So each child will get 5 roses. In example number 4, you can see that 12 cookies have to be divided equally and kept in 3 bags. We say 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We write it as 12, put the symbol of division, then 3 equals to 4. So each bag will contain 4 cookies each. Remember, when we want to share objects or group objects equally, we are actually dividing them. There are 3 different ways to write division sums. Don't get confused. All of these ways means the same. Now, let us see the different terms used in division. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Here, number 12 is the dividend. The number that the dividend is divided by is called the divisor. Here you can see that 12 is divided by 4. So Number 4 is the divisor. The answer which we get on dividing the two numbers is called the quotient. Here, by dividing 12 by 4, we get the answer or quotient as 3. So here 3, which is the answer which we get after dividing, is the quotient. Children, please note that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. What is repeated subtraction? If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another large number until the remainder is 0, or a number smaller than the number being subtracted, we can write that in the form of division. We have learnt division as equal distribution. Now let us see why division is also called repeated subtraction. Children, here you can see that 12 apples are kept in a tray. Let us try to divide these 12 apples equally in different plates. First of all, we will put 3 apples in the first plate. So, 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 apples are left in the tray. Now, out of these 9 apples, let's take out 3 more apples again and put them in the second plate. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. So now 6 apples are left in the tray. Let us again take out another set of 3 apples in the third plate. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now only 3 apples are left in the tray. Let's put these last 3 apples in the fourth plate. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now no more apples are left in the tray. So children, did you see how I kept on subtracting the apples until I had no more apples left? So here we have repeatedly subtracted 3 from 12 4 times. This example can mathematically be written as 12 divided by 3 equal to 4, where 12 is the dividend. The divisor 3 is the number of apples in each plate. The number of times 3 is subtracted is the quotient. So here 4 is the quotient. Now let us discuss a few properties of division. Property number 1. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. In other words, when any number is divided by 1, we always get the number itself as the quotient. For example, 6 divided by 1 equals to 6. 11 divided by 1 equals to 11. 255 divided by 1 will give us 255, and so on. Property number 2. If we divide a number by the number itself, the quotient is always 1. In other words, when any number is divided by the number itself, we always get 1 as the quotient. For example, 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. 12 divided by 12 equals to 1. 500 divided by 500 is equal to 1, and so on. Property number 3. 0 divided by a number gives 0 as the quotient. Or we can also say, when 0 is divided by any number, we always get 0 as the quotient. Examples: 0 divided by 6 equals to 0. 0 divided by 25 equals to 0. 0 divided by 634 equals to 0, and so on. Property number 4. Division of a number by 0 is meaningless. Example: 6 divided by 0 has no meaning. 35 divided by 0 has no meaning. Children, please note here, the divisor can never be 0. Division by 0 is not possible. Children, this is an exercise for you to solve. Here you have to use multiplication tables to find the quotient of these division sums. Let's do the first one together. How much is 32 divided by 4? Or where does 32 come in the table of 4? Yes, it is 8 times. So, 32 divided by 4 is 8. Try to find out the other answers yourself. I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.